Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot VIVO V60E. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button, just like that at the same time, and the power menu appears. Now all we need to do is to tap the restart button, so simply tap on that. You can now see the VIVO logo. It disappeared, our device has been turned off. Now simply wait a few seconds and then your device will be turned on automatically. And why is it even worth to perform a reboot? For example, when I was using this device for like a week, I had one situation when one of my apps didn't want to launch. So that was the moment when I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. Also, rebooting your device can boost its performance sometimes, and also during that process our RAM gets freed up, so it's like a moment of rest for our device, and performing it, for example, once a week is completely okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.